Hey guys, so this is the 2023 Columbus line by Palomino. They have two different color options. This is the standard white, and you can also do midnight black. They all have this huge, awesome pass-through storage on them. You can haul just a lot of stuff in there. All of them have electric auto leveling on them, as well as G-rated tires, but you can upgrade to H-rated tires on there. You can also do generator prep or put a generator, just depends on the model. Walking down here, you can also see the metal on the awning there. Comes standard on all their campers. Something they do that a lot of other brands don't do. Frameless windows here on the outside that they do that again, not a lot of other brands do. Let's take a step on the inside, see some other things that Columbus does that other brands don't do. So here we are in the kitchen of the Columbus. As you can see, they do full-size appliances. This is a full-size oven down here. You can fit a full turkey back in there, as well as a full-size microwave. Here in the sink, nothing really to talk about. Of course, just normal sink, but below there it is dishwasher prepped, and all their Columbuses are. So you just go to Lowe's, Home Depot, buy a dishwasher, put it right there in the bottom, and of course a big, nice size, full-size refrigerator all the Columbuses have to offer. And of course, all these have solid surface countertops and of course awesome cabinetry. So again, Columbus line knocks it out, and it's awesome. So moving to the front, we'll check out some stuff in the front of the camper. So here we are in the nose of this beautiful Columbus. Of course, you can see they do full-size king beds in most of their floor plans, as well as they just put everything together. They continued the solid surface countertops throughout, and of course into the bathroom here. In this specific floor plan we're in, beautiful double vanity, and of course a full walk-in closet if I can figure out the magnets are a little strong. But again, Columbus, beautiful brand, luxury fifth wheels. We carry them here at RV Wholesalers. Check this one out as well as many others.